Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my all-time favorite French meal that most French people have during the winter time when it's cold, and this is called raclette. This is just disclaimer, this is just the way that I like it. However, people do it different ways, but this is just my preference. So here are the things that I'll be using today. I'll be using potato, Irish potato to be exact. I'll be using chicken, salami, bacon, and that's raclette cheese. That's specific cheese just for raclette. Most French people go ahead and cook their potato in the skin, so you just wash your potato and cook it as is, but I don't like my potato in the skin, so I'm going to go ahead and peel my potato and boil them, and then I'll show you the rest of the process. Over here now, pot, my water is already boiled, and I go ahead and just add my potato which I peeled with a little salt, and I'm just making dinner for the fam and showing you guys as I go along. So that's all the potato that I'll be using. All right, so when my potato finish cooking, then I'll show you the rest of the process of the raclette. This is what a typical raclette setup looks like. If you guys don't have an idea what the machine looks like, this is just one type of many of what the machine looks like. It's a machine that you just plug it in. So mine is plugging down there somewhere, and then it have an on and off button, and then under here it have the spaces for these little trays. Now these trays is what you put under here with your cheese in it. So this is the reason why it's a specific cheese for the raclette, because it already comes sliced in the good size and everything. So you put your cheese in there. So you just put your cheese under here, and then it would melt. And then this part of the raclette is where you're going to put all of your meat if you don't want to eat them uncooked. So you can cook all your meat up here, and this plate here is just to keep the things warm. That's how our raclette is. And then this little like a little spoon is a scraper just to assist you when the cheese is melted in the tray, to assist you to scrape your cheese onto your meat and your potatoes. So I'm gonna have my husband demonstrate when the potato is finished. And my son is getting ready for dinner right now. As you guys can see, he's going up on his chair. He's so ready to eat. Are we gonna eat? Yeah. Waiting on my potatoes to finish cooking, and then we'll show you guys the next step. Okay, you guys, so here we go ahead and have all my potatoes cooked. So baby's just gonna go ahead and show you guys, and if you guys wondering who is babe, that's my handsome husband here. He's gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly how, there's just one of many ways he's gonna show you how to make raclette. So first, I think he's gonna go ahead and choose the bacon, and he like his meat cook. So he's gonna put the bacon on, as you can hear it's cooking. And while that's going, he's gonna pick up his tray and put at least 2 cheese under there to let it start melting. So there it goes. If you realize we have space go right around the raclette, it's warming right now, right around. So we can put as much tray as possible, but also now that the bacon is on, he's going to go ahead and add some more meat onto the top. That way more meat can cook. You don't have to just cook one meat as you go along. So since we're making dinner, he's just gonna add some salami and probably some chicken on there. You don't wanna add chicken?
Yeah, I will.
And see, he's utilizing the scraper. It can also use to turn the meat as you go along. See, and it's a pretty big raclette, and some raclette don't come with the plate. So if it don't come with the plate, this can do for the entire family. And if you have guests over, it's a good dinner to have when you have guests over. Yes, baby.
I want the cheese and...
Put more cheese under there, please, Fatai.
And this, okay?
Okay, baby. Put another one.
Because I'm really super hungry.
You're super hungry. All right, Mama gonna go ahead and cut up one potato for you, okay?
But this potato is too small.
It's big. Look, you're gonna throw your cheese on it. You see? So you put your potato here. What you want on it? Bacon?
Yeah.
Okay. As soon as it cooks, Papa will add it for you, okay?
And see, Mama.
See there. Alright guys, so now baby's gonna go ahead and proceed and show you exactly how he's going to make this meal delicious. So he's going ahead and cutting up his potato the way he likes it. Like I said, you could have cooked it with the skin, but we prefer without the skin. So he's going to go ahead now and add his cheese because that's how he likes it. So he's adding his cheese, which is melted. Maybe this could have melted a little bit more, but there he goes, adding that melted cheese all over the potato with his spread. And he's gonna go ahead and add another cheese because he's just gonna be eating. So you can add another cheese, make it warm, make it melt while he's doing that. So now he, on top of the cheese, while it's hot, he's going to go ahead and add bacon because that's the one he prefers. And then he's probably gonna add some other meat. So you can go ahead and add how many meats you want, any amount of meat that you want to it. And now he's going to go ahead and add more cheese on top of this meat. Look at all that melted cheese, so good. That's it. Okay, so that's it for now. He's just gonna go ahead and enjoy this, and this is just one way of many of how you can do your raclette. And look at that, it looks so good. All right, you guys, hopefully you guys really enjoy this simple way of how to make raclette. Like I said, you can go ahead and enjoy raclette however you choose to enjoy it. But there we go, we're gonna go ahead and enjoy this. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with Mel's Kitchen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.